Animal sounds!
New adventure!
Let's meet some animals and learn their colors.
Are you ready?
Let's go! The brown bear goes growl, 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 growl. Growl, growl, brown. The yellow crab spider goes clack, clack, clack. Clack, 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 yellow.
The red fox goes yap, yap, yap.
Yap, yap, yap.
Red,
Red. The electric blue gecko goes chirp, chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp.
blue.
Brown, yellow, red, blue.
Hey, color time! Let's have some fun!
Brown, yellow, red, blue.
Join the sound!
Everyone! The green tree frog goes ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Green!
Green! The orange clownfish goes blub, blub, blub. Blub, blub, blub. Orange! Orange!
The pink flamingo goes honk, honk, honk.
Honk, honk, honk. Pink, pink. The purple sea star goes squish, squish, squish. Squish, squish, squish. Purple! Green, orange, pink, purple.
Hey, color time! Let's have some fun!
Green, orange, pink, purple.
Join the sound!
Everyone! The white Arctic hare goes hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop.
White!
White! The black panther